Hello again. Now I'm arrived in Bratislava, Slovakia. Bratislava is the capital and largest city of Slovakia. Bratislava is in southwestern Slovakia at the foot of Little Carpathia. Occupying both banks of the river Danube and the left bank of the river Morava, bordering Austria and Hungary. A bronze sculpture of a man peeping out of the manhole. His name is Kumil, and he is either resting after cleaning the sewer or is looking under a women's skirt. Today, Bratislava is the political, cultural, and economic center of Slovakia.
Srdcom. Vidíme tu vás mnohých, ktorým sa... 100 metrov bratislavských, ktoré pôjdu od...
The city's history has been influenced by people of many nations and religions. Vyškov Námestí is a town square in Bratislava. Bratislava receives around 1 million tourists every year. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you when I see you. Cheers!